Why an Astro van? I have a perfectly good bus, plenty of room, there's a lot of stuff in it. See, that's the problem. There's a lot of room, there's a lot of stuff in it. I lived in a Honda Element for over a year, which you can see some vlogs from a while ago now. And I loved it. I was in that thing for over a year, and it was perfect for me until my production company grew a bit more and I needed more camera gear and more things. And that's when I acquired some buses from Tiny Home Tours, who I directly work with. And it was really great, but I got very used to like a certain way of traveling, and it's pretty fast, and it's always down some sketchy dirt roads and just a bunch of stuff. And like the bus kind of held me back on those things. Like I wasn't really able to be me. And that's a problem. I need to be me, you know. I'm not going to short sell myself, you know, on life. I'm going to do what I want to do with respect to others. And it's just going to make me more productive. And if I'm more productive, whatever I'm working on is going to be more productive. And who doesn't want that, you know? So I'm back here back home, Lombard, Illinois. I came from Bend. Today's July 2nd. I left Bend probably I don't even know now, 3 weeks ago maybe? I'm not really sure. And I've gone through 2 different buses since then. So I'm just ready for something that I can call my own. And today's the day. I did it. I bought an Astro van. And I'm going to go pick it up later.
Bam! So here he is, Astro van. Here's my friend Ralph. Beep. Hi. So the plan today is to gut it out, basically. Get everything out. Seats, maybe the carpet. We'll see how crazy we get. Headliner, the friggin' panels on the side. And once it's gutted out, I'll show you the plan. Only about an hour later. Not an hour later. Maybe like an hour and a half of tearing apart. Boom, pile. Yeah, it was really easy to take everything out. You just pull, yank, screwdrivers, 18 millimeter socket, I think, like I said, T55, Torx for the seatbelts, and everything's wide open. Bam. So this is where the bed will go, and that's where the power will go, storage and shit. Underneath the bed will be more sliding drawers. Hope I'm going in a straight line. Yeah. This is probably not how you're supposed to do this, but, you know, I don't follow the rules very well. Let's see. And this is how I'm making the pilot hole. Man. Oh, there we go. Where's the thing? There it is. So like somewhere about there. Ah! Go ahead, make fun of me, people. I don't care. Look at that, like I planned it. Boom. That's not bad. I kind of got it along the thing. Neighbors are probably like, "You're still rolling?"
Yeah.
The neighbors are probably like, "What the fuck is this guy doing?" Reason I did all that is because this wood right here is going to be the ceiling. It's going to be slatted. What are these? 1 by 3s and there'll be space probably every ½ inch up there. And I'm going to put black felt underneath so it looks like it goes into infinity. And then lighting. Should be pretty cool. And today we're doing a test fit. See if more than enough space. I wonder if I can mock it up by just sliding it through there. Oh yeah! It will have to bow up a little bit. It's very possible though. Cool. Those bolts are going to have to be strong. So that thing will have to be on that side of the channel. How? I guess you can do one long ways from this rib to that rib, and then cut one in half, and then do that.
Do you need to do them staggered if they're all 8 foot?
Technically I don't, but I feel like staggered would look cool, but so would just full length, you know?
It'd be pretty slick if you didn't have any seams.
I know, right? Alright, I think that's what we'll do. So I'm going from this right schmear. There we go. All the way to schmear. 7 feet on the dot. So gotta cut all this width to 7 feet. Let's see if it fits. Now, how does one start? Do you start in the center and then go to the outsides? Because I don't know how many I'm going.
I would.
That's what I figured, right?
But then the side ones you may have to cut lengthwise.
Right.
If you have a saw to do such.
Cool beans. How precise am I trying to go? Here at Shady Van Build Garage, just eyeballing things because, you know, I don't know what I'm doing. Oop. Uh-oh. I'm literally eyeballing it. Alright, that'll do it. That's where I'm cutting it. Pencil doesn't have enough bend. And then once that's up, this will literally be flush with the carpet, like that. Boop. So I'll have to figure out a little seam action to go in between these guys. That should be fun. Back to the cutting board. Nice. as they say. Nailed it. Cool. Hot! It's a cool noise. Hot. I'm just eyeballing.
It's worked so far.
So far. Wish me luck. Uh-oh, I moved it. Fuck. Oh, baby. All the way through. It's like I knew what I was doing. Alright, so far so good. Well, my drill's dead, so I don't know where the charger went for it. Have to find that. It's 5 o'clock. Let's hunt the stereo real fast, and then if not, we'll just fucking leave.
Do the what? Stereo? Yeah.
Because that's just putting wires together and plugging it in and turning it on. I'll mount it. I'll mount the stereo a different time.
Oh, it's almost a cool Dr. Pepper commercial, except the labels are on there.
Shit. Pro tip: if you don't have wire strippers, use the front of your teeth. And they're out here, go like this, and go. Hold on. Like that, and then it comes off. Might need to do a little bit more, but this one should be fine. Where's it going? It's going until here. These are some shallow terminals anyways, so shorter strips work. And get yourself a nice pair of crimpers, Harbor Freight. What am I wiring, you ask? Even if you didn't ask. Got a 7-inch Pioneer Apple CarPlay Bluetooth 7-inch screen. I think I said that already. Bad boy. It was only $300. That one's too long. Take it, bend it in half. Loading. Ooh, look at that. English. Touchscreen. Attention, do not use this unit in standard mode when a speaker system for a network mode is connected to this unit may cause damage to your speakers. Okay. Don't use this while driving. Okay. Cool. Here we are. Phone for the Apple Play. Boom. iPhone. Apple CarPlay. Bam! Dude, dope. The screen's not as awesome as Phil's, but that's okay. That's pretty neat right there. Boom, Spotify. I hear noises. Let me skip forward. Wow, that sounds really good. Cool, it works. Now I just gotta put it in here somehow. This is a din and a half, and this is 2. This is double din, so that's not gonna work well. Just gonna leave this in here for now. This is obnoxious. I think I bought a 10-foot friggin' iPhone cable. Probably someone cringing out there right now. Might have to cut the bottom of it too. I'm gonna have to pretty this up. Installed the last bit of reflectix I had on the ceiling. I need to go get more for up there and for the back, but that'll be for another trip to Home Depot for now.